Hello everyone, let's discuss set 2025. Let's read the data. A, C, K, and S. I'm using the short names. Participated in a puzzle solving competition. The competition comprised 10 puzzles that had to be solved in the same sequence. That is, a competitor got access to a puzzle as soon as they solved the previous puzzle. So, you can't skip a puzzle. So, the puzzles were visual and the others were number based puzzles. So, there are two types of puzzle, visual as well as numerical based puzzles. The winner of the competition was the one who solved all puzzles in the least amount of time. And the following chart describes the progress in the competition. The chart on the left shows the number of puzzles solved by each competitor at a given time in minutes after the start of the competition. So once competition started, at one point of time, how many puzzles have you been able to solve? So I think we can just understand the data a little bit. If I look at for A, that is red color. So now A is starting the competition. First puzzle he is able to solve at the end of the 4 minute, right? So you can say at 4 minute he has been able to solve one puzzle. At the end of 9 minute he is able to solve two puzzles, right? At the end of the 11 minute he is able to solve three puzzles. At the end of 14 minutes is able to solve four puzzles. So similarly, we can understood the data for everyone and we can directly go to the question. While in the second graph also, you can say this talks about, so there are four visual puzzles that I could see. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. So total four visual puzzles are there and six number puzzles are there. Now by matching this graph, like for example, if you look at the data for A is solving his first visual puzzle at the end of the 4 minute, and he is also solving first puzzle of the competition in 4 minutes. It means first puzzle has to be a visual puzzle. Then he is solving his second visual puzzle at the end of the 14 minute. While at the end of the 14 minute, he has solved four puzzles. You can say number 2 and number 3 has to be a number puzzle and number 4 has to be a visual puzzle. Then again, he could solve his fifth puzzle, sixth puzzle, seventh puzzle, and eighth puzzle looks like to be a visual puzzle because solving third visual puzzle at the end of 29th minute, and here at the end of the 29th he is solving his eighth puzzle. So again, eighth puzzle has to be visual, and immediately after that you can see next puzzle is also visual puzzle as this value are matching at the end of 33 minute, and here you can see at the end of the 33 minute. So for any one person we can figure out the number of visual puzzles. So ninth is also a visual puzzle and 10th has to be a numerical puzzle. Now we can go to the question one by one and answer every question. Let's look at the first question of this set. Who had solved the largest number of puzzle by 20th minute? So set a benchmark of 20 minutes, and who is at the top? We can see the green color is at the top. He has been able to solve 7 puzzle, and green color represent Kaushik. So for this question number 10, answer has to be option number 3. Look at the next question. How many minutes did S take to solve the third visual puzzle in the competition? Now S means blue color. Now third visual puzzle for blue color is getting solved at the end of 29th minute. Now at the end of the 29th minute, before this he is taking how much time? 2 minutes. So I think this puzzle has been solved in 2 minutes. So for this question number 11, your answer has to be 2 minutes. Go to the next question. At what number the sequence of fourth number puzzle? So I think first is visual puzzle, second that is first number puzzle, this is second number puzzle, then fifth will again number, so that is third in sequence, and sixth puzzle will be fourth number puzzle in the sequence. So for this particular question, answer has to be 6. I'm sorry. Go to the next one. Which of the following is the closest to the average time taken by A to solve the number based puzzle in the competition? So average time for number based puzzle, so this can be calculated as total time to solve all the 10 puzzle minus total time taken to solve visual puzzle. And since there are only 6 number puzzle, divide by 6, I get the required answer. Now A is taking total 37 minutes to solve all the puzzle. 37 minus first visual puzzle he is solving in 4 minutes. Second visual puzzle, that is puzzle number 4, he is again solving in 3 minutes. Third visual puzzle, that is puzzle number 8, that he is solving in this, if you look at this, 2 minutes. And This again is solving in 4 minutes. So this will be the total time taken to solve all the numerical puzzles. So 37 minus 7, 9, 13 is 24. 24 divided by 6, you get value to be 4. So the answer has to be option number 3. That's it. Thank you.